My name is Marloes Peerenboom. I'm studying costume, level 5 currently, and I'm from the Netherlands. We don't really have any costume courses in the Netherlands, and this was just the best one that I was able to find with a small uni that I really like. My interview was through Skype, but I did come over before to do, I think it was a workshop and like a tour around the uni, and then I really knew that this definitely was the uni for me. The people are great, the teachers are great, friends are great. It's been great living in Hartlepool with my friends. It's just been an amazing experience so far. For millinery, I created 4 hats with the theme Magnific Millinery. So all hats are quite big, either in symbolic meaning or decorations, just big hats. So the first hat is this witch hat. It's made from buckram. I made all the flowers myself. It's made from velvet, so yeah, it's just a really nice hat. And then this one with the beads over here, it's a medieval hennin. It's inspired by a medieval headdress that was worn. All the pearls, all the crystals, everything has been hand sewn on. That took me like almost a full week. I made the trimmings myself as well. It's definitely the most time-consuming hat, but it's also the hat that I'm most proud of. And then at the front I've got the red cinema hat that's been decorated with lots of feathers. I had to dye, cut, glue on all the feathers as well, which took another very long time. But I'm very proud of that one. It's inspired by the Kentucky Derbies. And then the last one is a felt hat. It's inspired by 17th century cavalier hats. So it's got like a big black feather on it, and yeah, it's just great hats. I've done a lot of work experience already. Over Christmas I designed and made 4 costumes for a girl group in the Netherlands that are currently performing all throughout the country. I've worked on a few sets over the last year, and I'm also doing commissions on the side. After graduation, I would love to open up my own studio, so I'm currently working on a report that's really investigating if I can open up my own studio, if there will be a demand for the costumes. But yeah, I definitely would like to open up my own studio.